these are actually precipitation at the moment. They're actually mostly snow showers, and we do have some thunderstorms. You see the little crosses there? Do you see those colours? They're actually thunderstorms, so there are some lightning strikes going on at the moment. So we have some snow showers across the country. So the forecast is for these to die out around midnight, and then we will have icy roads tonight and through the middle of the night, but then there's going to be another change in the weather. We have another depression, area of low pressure coming in across Ireland. Now it's not going to be a full-blown storm, but it is going to give wet and windy weather tomorrow to Munster and Leinster, and we will be issuing warnings, certainly yellow, probably orange warnings for maybe Cork, Waterford, Wexford, Kilkenny, Carlow, maybe Wicklow for 20 to 30 millimetres of rain, and easterly gale force winds for a time. So as Sean and the Minister said, while it won't be a storm tomorrow, there will be strong winds in these areas, and these areas also had some of the strongest winds yesterday.
Beyond that, Evelyn, into next week, is there another pattern of these?
It looks like we are going to get a change in the weather pattern, and there is a chance of some fine weather next week.
How does this fare historically? It just seems like it's been bad weather after bad weather.
It's similar. It is exceptional, but not unprecedented. And the last time we had so many storms was in 1988. But in terms of severity, well, we haven't got all the values in yet, but certainly it would be in maybe the top 5 or 6 storms.
Given, Evan, that there's a lot of swollen rivers already around the country with this heavy rain forecasted for tomorrow, are we likely to see inland river flooding possible?
Well, it is a worry, and as I said, particularly over the southern Munster areas.
Yeah, there has been, fortunately, there has been some relief. We were very concerned last week about the threat of river flooding. There has been some relief in that the water levels have been receding a little bit, so there is a little bit of capacity in the rivers. It's one we'll be watching, but we're not as concerned as we would have been last week.